Hi everybody, my name is Diego and I want to give an answer the next question. Do you prefer to travel or stay close to home? In my opinion, I prefer to stay close to home because I love to stay inside my bedroom because I love to paint, reading, and to share with my family inside my house. And mainly, I love to sleep so much because I love sleeping. Um, so many people say to me that they love to travel around so many countries around the world, but I've always thought that people are free to decide the places where they want to be. And I really think that to be inside the home give us the calm serenity to breathe silence because I love the silence to share and find myself, and all my family is really good to share with them, and that's the reason that I want always stay close inside my house.